Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about getting ready with my yummy makeup, and I have one new product that I was not in love with over the summer, but because my skin has been so incredibly dry, I had to add it back into my routine just to give it another chance, and I absolutely loved it. It was a game changer for my skin and for the way my makeup is sitting and just the overall relief it's helping me feel during the day with my really dry skin. So hang out with me, grab a glass of something, sit back, relax, and if you want to see how I get ready for the days, just keep watching. Can we talk about my nails for a second? I'll never wear acrylics again. I'll never wear acrylics again. Okay, first, so I moisturized my skin already. My hair's gonna bug me, I can already tell. Faux show. I have my trusty mirror here, because I always forget that. And I have been really dry, so I've been using something by Paula's Choice, the 10% or the Booster Niacinamide. I love that. And then I was using the Drunk Elephant gel, which I too adore. And I was mixing some drops into the gel, and then I was putting it all over my face. Then I was putting my mascara Milk Toner all over my face, and then I was using my Milk Moisturizer all over my face, and it was amazing. Now, during the summer, there was a product that was a primer, kind of a set, a primer, it's one of those things, and I didn't love it during the summer because my skin was dry, but I was in the desert, so it was like 105 degrees outside. And when you were spritzing it as a finishing spray or as a primer, for me it felt like I just didn't need it because I was sweaty anyway. Well, enter winter, cold weather, dry skin. This is what happened. So it's the Stay Spray, looks like that. I don't know if it's gonna focus or not, but it's the Stay Spray. And it's a primer, it's a setting spray, wets your brushes, wets your sponges, it's amazing. I didn't like it over the summer. That's why it's like practically unused. I didn't use it. I love it. Here's how I use it. Okay. Oh God, I just took the freaking cap off. Crisis averted. All right, so I just close my eyes and spritz. See that? Looking good. And it smells like vacation in a bottle. It smells so good. Then while it's like on my face, I just go right in with my palette. I'm making some dents, guys. I'm making some dents. What can I say? I use my 30-second hack brush, and I like to use this side. It's just really good. And while my skin's kind of like still damp, I'm gonna go in with this first color. This is Papaya, and that's gonna be my main color, you know? It's like the main color I'm gonna use. Now, the way this works, remember, it's meant to just be your highlight, your contour, and most of us are now using about two colors for highlight. We like to use a highlight to brighten under here, and then a highlight around here that's gonna be close, should be the exact shade of our skin. So I'm gonna put this all over. And by the way, you can do this in any order that you want to. Most people even like to do their under eye highlight, their triangle highlight first. I like to put on my base highlight. Then I go in with my lighter shade, which is going to be my triangle shade. And that is, dang, my phone is blowing up right now. This shade is Goddess. And I'm almost out, and I use the pointed tip of the 30-second hack brush. So I like to create a triangle of love and light. Happy trees, happy trees. Down, up, over. Just don't scratch your eyeball. Okay, and then I do it on the other side. You can just totally see the difference already. I love it. Okay. And usually I could say I could do my makeup in, well wait, am I doing eyebrows, lashes? What are we talking here? I'm doing one shade of eyeshadow. Am I, what, 5 minutes? So this is the Love love and light you're spreading on your face. Big triangles. And I like to do my eyelids just because. So that primer, because it's so dry, I remember feeling like during the summer, I was like, it's not for me. My skin's dry, but like I moisturize so well that as soon as I get outside, it's just not gonna set, blah, blah, blah. Ba-boom. All right. And then at this point, I like to throw in a little bit of chapstick. I mean, we should probably be moisturizing, especially this season. It's very cold. Your eczema's flaring up. I actually have a really good product. If your eczema is really bad, I have a good product for you. It's good. It's helped me. It's helped the husband. He's getting like seborrheic eczema, the like little round pink patches. He's getting those everywhere. I'm going to show you because I like to let this kind of sit and melt into my skin. My contour. My contour. So, this is my contour. And it's the shade Indigo. See that? Let's see. Shade Indigo. And I'm taking the Detail Hack brush. This is what it looks like. So good, right? These are all double-ended too. This is like for the clean lines or if you've under your eyes to touch up your concealer. I like to take this side, I dip it into the Indigo, and I just kind of find my cheekbone. And then I just kind of smoosh it just underneath. Just like that. If you go too far down, you can just wipe it. And then you do the other side. Smoosh. Smoosh. Super easy. And you're gonna blend this all in anyway. And then some people, I like to do my nose, like around here. I like to take this side of the brush for my nose. And so, if you're not comfortable with this, you can wait, it's totally fine. But I like to. Okay. Both sides. Wow, look at that. And then I kind of take a little bit on the tip. Then what I'll do is I'll take a little bit of Papaya and Goddess on my finger and I'll go right down the center of my nose. What just happened? What just happened? All right, then I take my B-squared brush. So this is more densely packed synthetic brush. This is a fluffy brush. I love this one. So I take my blush, which is Sandstone. So pretty. It actually translates differently on my lips than it does on my cheeks. So I take the smaller end and I dip it in there and I just kind of on my cheeks. Ba boom. I'm gonna let that chill. I'm gonna put on the rest of my face and then I take my beauty blender and I blend it all in. Okay, be right back with the eyes. Hi, I'm back. All right, so brows are done. What I did for brows, I used my Anastasia Brow Wiz in, is this dark brown? Dark brown. And then I used the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, my two faves. So brows are done. I was gonna do my eyes, but I wanna show you this new shadow that just came in and I'm obsessed with it. It's called Trust, I think it is. And it's this one, this bad boy right here. I'm trying to focus it. Do you guys see this? I'm gonna show you a swatch of this. It's like a beautiful, like gold. And it's the most buttery, soft, oh, it's so good. It's so good. All right, so let me try and bring you guys in for an extreme close-up. Okay, I brought you in a little bit closer. So, this is the color. It's called Trust. This is a new eyeshadow that we just got in, and I'm obsessed with it. It's like a beautiful, soft, look at how soft that is. And then when you put it on, it's just this yummy, really beautiful like coppery gold. So I'm gonna put that on my lids. And like I said, I haven't primed my lids with anything. And then I have some other colors that I'll do for like the outer crease. Sometimes this is, it's a brown color, I forgot the name of it. I think it's, I wanna say it's basic. This is Sable, I think. I'll find the names and I'll put them down below if you want to grab them. But this makes like the perfect, easy day to night smoky eye. So let me put this on, and I'm going to use my, I forgot what this is called. It's double-ended. It's like the fluffy sided brush, and then this is like the smoky side. So I just take simply a little bit on my brush, and then my mirror, just apply it. Like a simple, you guys know I'm home with my kids, I'm out running errands. I just do a simple wash of color on the moving part of my lid. And it simply adds a little bit of dimension, a little sparkle. A little sparkle never hurt nobody, all right? So just do that. And you just see how it kind of just warms up. And it's a warmer, I want to say it's like a copper. So beautiful. See that? So good. So I'll just apply that super easy with this brush. And then if you wanted to do something a little smokier or something on your outer V, you would simply flip the brush. Okay? So that goes everywhere. I mean, guys, how easy is that? It's like your everyday, who you want to be every single day eyeshadow. I'm going out, I gotta go. Can't talk right now. Let me just get my life together. Do you love how I still have this happening? What if I forgot one day and just like walked out the door? Like, why is everybody staring at me funny? So now that the eyes and the brows are done and my face has had some time to set, you want to use a wet beauty blender or your little squeezy sponge. So all the components of your face are on your face, and besides your brows and your eyes and anything else you want to add, your face is already put together. You just have to blend it, and you can do blending in a number of ways. Some people like to use their fingers. Some people even like to blend with the fluffy end of their B-squared brush. Most people like to use a really well dampened and dried up beauty blender sponge. If it's not completely damp, it's gonna suck up and swipe away your makeup. We don't want that. Nope, nope. I like to think of my beauty blender as three-sided. One side is to push and smooch in my contour. This pointy side is where I smoosh in my under eye triangle of light, and then the ball tip is where I smoosh in my blush. So here we go. So I just take the side of my beauty blender right here where the contour is, and I just kind of push back and up under that bone and let it kind of be your guide. Girl, who's she working with? Now for the nose part, I like to do this. So you've got your contour, you kind of blend it all around. You can bring your forehead down this way. I do it because I've got a 5 head. Oh, that's why I use the contour. Okay, so for the nose, I still use the side, but I kind of, you see how it's sitting right there, and on the tip. I kind of go like this. And I just kind of press it into the side. I don't want to blend it out. I just want to press. See? And then the same with the bottom part where that I put that contour. Oh good. So good, right? Okay, so your contour is blended. So now I'm just going to take the pointed end and I'm just going to blend right underneath my eyes. That's going to blend in my second highlight. That's the lightest. Okay. Then I take the ball part and I smile and I blend in and up, in and up. Et voila, you are blended into perfection. But you know me, I love to do more because I have under eye circles. Thanks to my kids. So I go back in with my 30-second hack brush and I kind of like load up just right here where I want a little bit more brightness. So I go back in with Goddess. Super easy. Just right here. I don't go any further out because I have enough coverage everywhere else. And if you just need like the thinnest veil of this, okay? The thinnest veil of mascara. It's cream based and it's meant to last. The different components have different finishes. Some of our blushes are matte finishing, some are shimmer, or not shimmery, some of them have like a shiny finish. Our contours have a little less slip because they're meant to kind of stay in place. So it's just a part of your skin. just a veil of your skin. It's your second skin. It becomes one with your skin. If you see that it's like sitting on top of your skin, you either got the wrong shade or you put on too much. Okay, so I do that, and then I just take the tip of the blender again and just kind of make sure it's nice and in there. And you know what's coming next with me. My favorite powder, Mineral Veil. I'm almost out, and I think the only place I can ever get it is Walmart. I don't even think I can get it at Walgreens, or put a little bit in the dish, and then I will use a sponge or a brush. Wait, where's my little, oh, there we go. I use a little angled brush from e.l.f. I kind of swirl it in, knock the excess off, and get right in there. So I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more blush because I just put powder over everything, and I like the finish of this blush. So I actually just use this side and then I flip to the B squared side, and I just kind of finish off my whole look by blending kind of. So I blend my blush with this brush and I kind of melt it into the contour. Just like that. Do you see what they did there? My favorite lip product is next. It's like the second to last. I still need to do some eyeliner, but Matte Rouge Couture Stain by YSL, number 23. It's always sold out online. It looks like this. It's just a really pretty neutral color. This one's almost out, so I have to like wrestle it constantly. Oh, there we go. Look at this applicator. How dope is that? It like lets you line everywhere you need to line. Kind of amazing. Okay, with that said, but the last thing I'm gonna do is this highlighter is gorgeous. It's called Georgia. This one right here, so pretty. I'll show you guys a swatch. It's, okay, all right, calm down. Everyone calm down. Whoa. All right, so that's what the swatch looks like. Oh my God. So, you gotta tread a little carefully, huh? But because it's so smooth and so fine that if you like just take, if you were to take like a brush like this, it would be like, whew. So I like to use a stippling brush. That's how you guarantee, this is from e.l.f., it's old, guarantee that you're gonna get just the right amount, and you can always add more, but you can't take out, right? So I just kind of dip it in. This is called Georgia. It's one of our new illuminators. And then I just kind of hit the side of my cheekbones in an upward motion. Right here, right here. I mean, come on, come on. Other side. Oh, how pretty is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, voila, a finished face. Yay! Thank you guys for sticking with me. If anything has changed in my routine other than using mascara, it has been this Stay Spray. Again, like I said, I did not love it during the summertime. I just was sweaty enough. This has been creating like a veil for my skin. It keeps my makeup in place. It smells great. It has like a nice mist, so it's a good start for like my cream-based makeups. It just kind of allows it to move faster, and then it kind of sets. I can even do it after, but I feel like with this highlight, I'm good. So again, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I think I'm gonna do a vlog next week. We're going to the Rose Parade for New Year's. So excited, the kids are gonna freak out. So if you want me to document that and use our camera for our family vlog, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you need a color match and you need help with your shades, you can comment below, or you can slide into my DMs on Instagram, thevonda83, or you can find me and contact me via shopwithshavonda.com. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.